Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get into recovery mode on MSI Thin A15. So to get to recovery mode, before we begin, I need to warn you that most probably if you do anything in recovery mode, then you'll be asked to provide the Bitlocker key, and if you don't, then your hard drive will be locked forever until you provide the Bitlocker key. So before we continue, we need to make sure that we have access to our Bitlocker keys. And where to gain the access? At aka.ms/recovery, which I'm gonna show you, my recovery key. So this is the exact website. As you can see right here, it says aka.ms/myrecoverykey. You need to go to the exact website, and then you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna log in. So it has to be the same account that is logged in on your laptop. Then I've just clicked on sign in, and I think the password was correct. So yes, so this is how it should look if you are logged in. If it looks really different, then it is a scam website, so you should exit that as soon as you can. But if it looks like this, then you should be fine. Now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to shut down our laptop if it's already on. And after it shuts down, we need to first press on the power button, and after that repeatedly press on the F3 key. So let me show you the keyboard. So first the power button, then the F3 key repeatedly until it says please wait on the screen. Okay, now we can stop clicking on it. And now we can do anything that we need to do here. So for example, you can troubleshoot it, and you can reset your PC or go to advanced options. I'm gonna go to startup settings, then I'm gonna enable the safe mode, so I need to restart. Then select the safe mode when it asks me for that. And as you can see, it has locked with Bitlocker key. So what it means is, since I was doing some like unusual stuff, it has locked it to protect it, and I'll need to click on enter, then enter the recovery key for this drive. So to identify on the list of recovery keys, because there are multiple ones, you can see your recovery key ID, and the first segment, which in my case is 2C something to EE. I need to find it on the list where it says key ID. So you can see here it's device name, key ID, and so on. So I just need to find the key ID that matches my recovery key ID first segment. Okay, I have found it. So this is how it looks, and on the right side of it there is this long code that you need to fully enter. So I'm gonna do that now. Make sure it's all correct, because of course if it's not correct then you'll not be able to enter it and you'll need to re-enter it. So just do it carefully so you don't have to repeat the process of entering it all. And now I've entered the whole code, and as I click on enter, I've gotten to the startup settings which I wanted to go in. And for example, I can enable safe mode with networking by clicking on 5 on my keyboard, or F5. Both of the keys should work. And also if you enable the safe mode without networking, then you most probably won't be even able to log into your account, because it has to have the pin set up, like you need to reset your pin for some reason. But I think I'm not connected to a network, so to make it all quicker, I'll just connect a wired network. But of course, I think maybe you can connect with Wi-Fi, or if you're doing anything else in your recovery mode, then of course you can just, it'll be different, for example, if you're resetting your laptop or anything. But since I want to show you how I'm logging into the safe mode, because it is very common that people go into safe mode, then I'll just log in with my Microsoft account. Then I'm gonna verify my identity with the email, and I'll enter the code that's provided on my Gmail. And I have verified, so now I can just set a new pin. But I think, okay, maybe I can skip this step. Yes, I can. I can just click on X. And now I'm all fine. As you can see here, I'm in the safe mode. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.